Sahih Bukhari. These insightful words from Sahih Bukhari, a revered Hadith collection, set the tone for our exploration today. They mean that every action you take is dependent on your intentions. This wisdom forms the bedrock of Islam's teachings and is a guiding light in the lives of its followers. In the hustle and bustle of our modern world, where we often feel adrift and disconnected, the teachings of Islam offer a beacon of hope, a compass to navigate the murky waters of life. Its relevance is not confined to a particular time or place, but spans across centuries, cultures, and continents. The importance of good intentions in Islam, as highlighted in our opening quote, is a powerful testament to this timeless wisdom. It's a reminder that our actions are mere reflections of our innermost thoughts and desires. So, let's delve deeper into this ocean of wisdom and understand how Islam's teachings are still relevant today. Islam is a way of life that teaches us to be good to ourselves and others. At the heart of this faith are the core teachings, often encapsulated in the 5 pillars of Islam. These pillars form the foundation of a Muslim's life, guiding actions and attitudes. First, the Shahada, or the declaration of faith. This is the belief that there is no deity but Allah and Prophet Muhammad is his messenger. This statement is a commitment to monotheism, a cornerstone of Islam known as Tawheed. It's a profound concept, emphasizing the oneness of God, a belief that permeates every aspect of a Muslim's life. The second pillar is Salat, the ritualistic prayers performed 5 times a day. They are not just a duty, but a way to connect with Allah, to seek His guidance and find peace in a world that can often be chaotic. Next, we have Zakat, or almsgiving. This pillar encourages Muslims to share their wealth with those in need, fostering a sense of community and compassion. It's not just about giving, it's also about understanding the value of what we have and the importance of empathy. The fourth pillar is Sawm, fasting during the holy month of Ramadan. This is not just an exercise in self-discipline, but also a time for spiritual reflection and growth. Finally, the Hajj, or pilgrimage to Mecca. This journey is a physical and spiritual quest, a demonstration of unity and brotherhood among Muslims worldwide. Alongside these pillars, Islam also teaches the importance of kindness, honesty, and respect for all creation. It encourages us to seek knowledge, to be just, and to strive for peace. This is a faith that values community, promotes equality, and cherishes humility. Islam's teachings are not confined to a particular time or place. They are timeless and universal, providing guidance for every aspect of life. Whether it's how we treat ourselves, our neighbors, or the world around us, Islam offers a roadmap for a balanced and fulfilling life. Islam's teachings are timeless and universal, providing guidance for every aspect of life. In an ever-changing world, the teachings of Islam remain a beacon of light for humanity. As we navigate the complexities of our modern times, we often find that the wisdom of the past can offer us invaluable guidance. The teachings of Islam, distilled over centuries, provide a moral and ethical compass that is as relevant today as it was 1400 years ago. At the heart of these teachings are principles such as justice, equality, and respect for all. Principles that are needed, perhaps now more than ever. Take justice, for example. Islamic teachings emphasize the importance of justice in all aspects of life, from interpersonal relationships to societal structures. In a world where injustice often prevails, these teachings remind us of the need for fairness and equity. Then there's equality. Islam teaches us that all humans, regardless of their race, religion, or social status, are equal in the eyes of God. In an era where discrimination and inequality persist, this message is crucial. It encourages us to treat everyone with the same respect and dignity, fostering a sense of unity and brotherhood. Lastly, respect for all beings is a cornerstone of Islamic teachings. Islam teaches us to show kindness and compassion not just to our fellow humans, but also to animals and the environment. In a world grappling with environmental crises and societal discord, this teaching is a call to action. It inspires us to be better stewards of our planet and to foster harmony in our societies. These core Islamic teachings provide a roadmap for navigating the challenges of our times. They offer timeless wisdom that can help us build a more just, equal, and respectful world. And so, as the world continues to evolve, the relevance of these teachings only grows. They serve as a moral compass, guiding us towards a path of righteousness and compassion. They remind us of our shared humanity and our collective responsibility to create a better world. As we can see, the teachings of Islam remain not only relevant but essential in today's world. Indeed, Islam's teachings provide a meaningful and fulfilling path in life. We have journeyed through the core principles of Islam and the profound wisdom they carry. We've explored the teachings that inspire compassion, integrity, and justice. We've seen how these teachings resonate in today's world, promoting peace, unity, and mutual respect among mankind. Islam's teachings aren't just historical lessons, they are timeless guides, as pertinent today as they were over 1,000 years ago. They call us to reflect, to question, and to strive for a better world. They urge us to embody kindness and empathy in our daily interactions, to seek knowledge relentlessly, and to uphold justice and fairness at all times. Now it's your turn to reflect on these teachings. Let them guide your actions, shape your thoughts, and inspire your heart. Embrace them in your life and witness the transformation they bring. May Allah guide us to the straight path and help us implement these teachings in our lives. Ameen. In conclusion, Islam's teachings are a treasure trove of wisdom for all of humanity. We've spent some time today exploring these pearls of wisdom, but the journey of learning and understanding is a lifelong one. Each day offers a new opportunity to gain knowledge, to reflect, and to grow. We hope that this video has sparked a flame of curiosity within you, a desire to delve deeper into the profound teachings of Islam. If you found this video enlightening or beneficial, please consider sharing it with others. Together, we can spread this wisdom far and wide, fostering a global community of understanding and compassion. Your thoughts and perspectives are invaluable. We encourage you to leave a comment below, sharing your insights or asking any questions that you may have. Let's continue this conversation and learn from one another. Jazakallah khair for watching. May Allah bless you with His mercy and guidance. Assalamu alaikum.